If you're thinking about raising ducks or simply want to enhance your backyard with a thriving duck pond, you're in the right place. Creating the perfect duck pond is more than just digging a hole and filling it with water. It's about building a sustainable, natural habitat where your ducks can swim, forage, and live healthily. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step of designing, building, and maintaining the ultimate duck habitat. Whether you're planning for just a few ducks or dreaming of a larger flock, these tips and tricks will help you create a pond that's safe, clean, and inviting for your feathered friends. To start, let's focus on why ducks need a pond in the first place. Ducks aren't just water lovers. They rely on water for a variety of their natural behaviors. A pond provides them with a place to swim, bathe, forage for food, and escape from predators. It also supports their health by keeping their feathers clean and providing an environment for exercise. But beyond the basics, a well-designed pond creates a sanctuary that supports the natural biodiversity of your yard and elevates the beauty and serenity of your outdoor space. Step 1 is to plan your pond carefully. The location is vital. Choose a spot that receives partial shade throughout the day to help regulate the water temperature and limit algae growth. Avoid low-lying areas prone to flooding and steer clear of large trees, which may drop leaves and add cleaning work. Ideally, your duck pond should be near your duck coop or shelter, as this makes it easier for your ducks to navigate between water and land throughout the day. When sizing your pond, consider how many ducks you plan to keep. As a rule of thumb, plan for at least 30 to 50 gallons of water per duck. A pond for a small flock might be about 6 feet by 8 feet and 2 feet deep, a perfect balance of swimming space and manageable maintenance. Making the pond neither too shallow nor too deep ensures ducks can dive and preen, but still keeps cleaning and safety under control. Now, let's move on to construction. Begin by outlining your pond's shape with a rope or hose. This helps visualize the design and make adjustments before any digging begins. Natural, irregular shapes look best and mimic wild ponds, providing plenty of nooks and edges for plants and wildlife. Once you're satisfied, dig the pond area, creating gentle slopes into and out of the water. This not only makes it easy for ducks to enter and exit, but also offers them protection from predators. After digging, it's time to add a pond liner. A high-quality, heavy-duty pond liner, such as EPDM or PVC, will keep water from seeping into the ground. Lay the liner smoothly, pressing it into every contour of your hole, and leave a generous overlap around the edges. Secure the liner with rocks or turf to ensure it stays in place. If you want a more natural look, cover the edges with pebbles, flagstones, or planted grass. Before filling with water, add a thin layer of smooth gravel or river stones to the bottom. This not only gives ducks a softer surface, but also encourages beneficial bacteria that keep your pond clean. At this stage, add a gentle slope or ramp made from rocks, bricks, or untreated wood. This is especially important for ducklings or less agile ducks, as it prevents accidental drowning and makes it easy for them to clamber in and out. Next, fill the pond with fresh, clean water. Ideally, use rainwater, as it's chemical-free and more natural for both plants and ducks. If you need to use tap water, allow it to sit for a few days so chlorine can dissipate, or use a dechlorinator if you want to speed up the process. With your pond full, it's time to focus on filtration and circulation. Ducks are notorious for making a mess in their ponds. They bring in mud, vegetation, and droppings. Installing a biological or mechanical filter will help keep the water clear and reduce maintenance. An easy option is a submersible pond pump paired with an external filter, which continuously cleanses the water. You can also add a gentle waterfall or fountain for aeration. This oxygenates the water, discourages mosquito larvae, and adds a soothing sound to your garden. Now, let's make the pond come alive by adding plants and habitat features. Native aquatic and marginal plants such as cattails, water lilies, pickerelweed, and duckweed provide food and shelter for ducks, as well as natural filtration for the pond. Plant these around the pond's edges and in submerged pots, leaving plenty of space for ducks to swim. Avoid toxic plants such as water hemlock, and always research local varieties to ensure they're safe for your flock. Consider adding basking logs, flat rocks, or ramp platforms to give ducks places to rest, preen, or sunbathe. Surround the pond with grassy areas and use dense shrubbery or low fencing to provide windbreaks and safe hiding spots, which help your ducks feel protected. Safety is also a top priority. Install fencing around the pond to keep predators such as raccoons, foxes, and neighborhood pets at bay. Use hardware cloth or welded wire with a small mesh size and bury it several inches underground to prevent digging. If you live in an area with hawks or owls, consider using netting or overhead wire, especially while your ducks are young. Maintenance is key to ensuring your pond stays healthy. Clean the filter regularly and remove excess debris or algae as it builds up. Swap out a portion of the water every week or two to prevent stagnation. If you notice the water becoming cloudy or smelly, check your filtration system and consider adding aquatic plants or beneficial bacteria to restore balance. A well-stocked pond with healthy plants and circulation often stays clear with minimal intervention. Throughout the year, keep an eye on seasonal changes. In summer, shade and plants help control algae growth, while in colder months, a floating de-icer can keep a small hole open in freezing weather, ensuring your ducks can access water. Avoid using chemicals or harsh cleaners, as these can harm both your ducks and the pond ecosystem. Remember, a duck pond isn't just a water feature, it's a living habitat. The rewards of watching your ducks splash, dive, and play make every bit of effort worthwhile. By planning carefully, using natural materials, and maintaining a healthy balance, you'll create a beautiful and functional pond your ducks will love for years to come. So grab your shovel, gather your supplies, and start building the perfect duck habitat today. Whether you're a seasoned duck owner or just starting out, a thoughtfully crafted pond will bring endless delight and a touch of wild beauty to your backyard.